Unlocking politeness in English. More sugar, please. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential phrase in English. More sugar, please. This phrase is not just about adding sweetness to your drink. It's a key to understanding politeness, requests, and social interactions in English-speaking cultures. So, grab your notebooks, and let's sweeten our English learning journey together. More sugar, please. Might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. At its core, this phrase is a request. It's used when you want someone to give you additional sugar. However, the magic of this phrase lies in the word, please, which transforms a simple demand into a polite request. It's not just about what you're asking for, but how you're asking. In English-speaking cultures, politeness is key. Using please in a request is like adding sugar to your tea. It makes your request more pleasant and acceptable. This phrase demonstrates respect towards the person you're speaking to and shows your good manners. It's not just about sugar. It's about interacting in a way that's respectful and kind. You can use more sugar, please, in various situations, whether you're at a cafe, a friend's house, or a family dinner. The key is the context and your tone of voice. When asking for more sugar, make sure to maintain a friendly tone and a smile. This phrase can also be adapted to other requests. For example, more water, please. Or, another napkin, please. Remember, the structure is what you want, plus please. While more sugar, please, is widely understood and appreciated, it's interesting to note the cultural nuances. In some cultures, direct requests are common, but in English-speaking environments, adding please is crucial to ensure your request is received well. This difference underscores the importance of understanding and adapting to cultural norms in language use. And there you have it, a simple phrase with layers of meaning. More sugar, please. We hope this video has not only taught you about a common English request but also the importance of politeness and cultural sensitivity in language. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it, that counts. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has added a little sweetness to your English learning journey. See you in the next video.